and it's dividing the Kampa Island on this side and a little quarter area behind you. It's called even Little Venice because all the houses on the left side looks like in Italy.
You can pass under the bridge through a magical arch that will then lead you to Kampa Island, a most peaceful place.
So this is Kampa Island. It was in fact built at the time of the 16th century. Now it's in fact the most luxurious area of Prague, with the most expensive apartments here. For example, rich Czech actors live here, something like Beverly Hills. There's this channel as well with watermills. You can find a Lennon wall there, with a picture of John Lennon in the middle and with other paintings. This was from 1980, after in fact, the death of John Lennon. People just put his portrait on the wall. There seems some graffitis there as well. There's a really nice walk as well, walking alongside the river. There are the restaurants down there that way. It's a nice park as well, so you can spend a nice time.